India is dreaming of becoming a superpower, Pakistan is begging to avoid bankruptcy. Well, it's not me that's saying it. This is coming in straight from the Parliament of Pakistan. And this is how the Pak opposition leader Maulana Fazlur Rahman has drawn a sharp contrast between the two neighboring nations during his inaugural address on the floor of the National Assembly. He doesn't just stop there. Further questioning who is responsible for Pakistan's economic struggles, the lawmaker also went on to claim that the unseen forces are orchestrating decisions behind the scenes and they've also reduced elected officials to mere puppets. Moreover, highlighting the impact of the national debt, Rahman emphasized that every Pakistani is bearing the burden and he's also warned that countries trapped in stagnation cannot hope to progress. Take a look.
और हम एक ही दिन में आजाद हुए 15 अगस्त 1947 को सुबह 8 बजे दिल्ली में लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन ने इंडिया के गवर्नर जनरल का हल्फ उठाया और कराची में कायदे आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्नाह ने हल्फ उठाया। एक ही दिन हम आजाद हुए। आज वो दुनिया की सुपर ताकत बनने के ख्वाब देख रहा है और हम दिवालियापन से बचने के लिए भीख मांग रहे हैं कि डिफॉल्ट न हो जाए हम लोग।
My colleague Rishabh continues to be on the broadcast with us. Rishabh, what is considered to be a hardcore fact in India, now coming in from the Pakistani parliament as well, this whole daydream of them competing with India now coming crashing down, given the fact that their own parliamentarians are now coming out and speaking the truth?
Well, definitely not only a parliamentarian, he happens to be a minister as well in the current government. And the way there is this admission in Pakistan that how, while both India and Pakistan began the journey on the same very day, India has cruised toward becoming and dreaming to become a superpower, while Pakistan right now is struggling to meet ends for that matter. This is a testimony to what India has been saying while the state-sponsored terrorism in Pakistan has always been a priority. India has looked at different things, and now even the lawmakers of Pakistan do agree to the same.
Right, Rishabh, appreciate you joining us on the broadcast there with all those details. Shifting